Stop guessing on room 67 and prove you are not a dum-dum. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to choose the door that matches the color of the floor tiles, which is a total fake-out designed to trigger an instant reset trap. Before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic of the mirror dimension, or you will just get stuck again. Here at Rexish, we know you've been grinding through these levels, and you need a solution that works right now. So we're going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. This puzzle is designed to trick your brain into following a numerical sequence on the wall. But the secret trick that other creators missed is that the real exit is an invisible path located directly behind the entrance door. You need to ignore the 3 paths in front of you, walk backwards into the left corner of the starting wall, and tap the brick that is slightly darker than the others to reveal the secret passage. This method clears the hidden logic gate and tells the game engine that you found the true path instantly without any technical headaches. This is the fastest way to clear the room and makes your progress toward the final stages feel snappy and reliable again. Rexish is dedicated to finding the simplest paths to solve these Roblox puzzles, so you can stay ahead of the game and stress-free. If you want the next level solution or the answer to room 70, just leave a comment below.